Today we are going to be talking about this Deltaco gaming RGB mini keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard, and as you can see, because I'm from Denmark, this is the Nordic version, but a US version will have the keyboard layout as you are maybe more used to. I'm going to be honest with you already here. This is not like a high-end keyboard. This is not something that you can expect to be a high-end keyboard. This is a keyboard that you can usually find to under $50. I've been looking at this one in particular because I'm looking for something for my kid to replace his membrane keyboard. And one of the things that really draws me to this one is the size of it. I know there's a lot of 60% keyboard, and I know that there's also a lot of keyboards like this one, but a lot of them is much more expensive, so I had to try one in this price range. This is a regular linear switch, red switch keyboard, and I actually think the switches are quite nice. I think when you are typing on the keyboard, it sounds actually quite good. I think the typing experience is quite good. And something that really annoys me is the space bar. I'm going to right now make a typing test so that you can hear how it sounds. I don't know if you just had the same experience as I did, but I think actually the keyboard is quite good. I think that it's very fast and tactile to use, and I've been gaming with this, and it's a very good gaming keyboard. The only thing that annoys me is the rattling spacebar. But if you could somehow find a way to stabilize this, I think this is way better than its price point. This is actually something my kid has actually tried already, and I'm looking into several different keyboards for his new setup build that you can see a video with on this channel hopefully soon. I'm going to pick them depending on what I think is best for him because of the size, but also of course if he can actually use it. One thing that's concerning me with this in his case is that I think I need to go with a TKL instead of a 60% because I think he will need actual arrow keys in order to play more with this one. But if you're looking for a cheap keyboard with I would say a comparable good experience compared to the price, I would really say that this is okay recommended. The Rgb lighting is fixed, and whoop, I was wrong there. I just found out you can actually control the Rgb lighting with software. I'll link the software down below. There's 19 different settings for the light, and for the switches they are Otemo red switches, and they have a 45 grams of activation force, and you're not able to do anything with that. I'm going to test more keyboards like this one, and if my video is ready you can click on it right beside my face. Otherwise, thank you for watching.